Hello and welcome to Excel Nana. In this video, I will show you how to create a cell report in Mario theme. At first, we have to prepare our data. In this case, I already have month data, sale amount, and forecast amount data. Next, we will insert the line chart by select all data in our table. Go to the ribbon Insert and Line Chart with Marker. Now we already have the basic line chart with marker. Then we will clean our chart. I start by delete the legend, remove the vertical axis, and also delete the grid line. Also the title, I delete it. Next, we will adjust our chart to be Mario theme. Select Add the Cell Series. You may double click or right click and then choose Format Data Series. Go to Line, change to be No Line. Then select Add the Forecast Series data. Also change to be No Line. Now what we left is only the blue dots and the orange dots, which we will change the blue dot to be the bridge block and the orange dots to be the question mark block. Move to the below of my sheet. I already prepared the image. Copy from internet. I will start from the cell series. Then choose the bridge block, copy it, then select Add the cell series, then Ctrl V to paste the image into our dots. As we do this action, we can get the image at the same size as the original image. Let's move to the forecast series. Go to select Add the question mark block. Copy it. Then select Add the point of the forecast series. And then paste Ctrl V. Now we already have the actual amount in bridge box and forecast in question mark box. Then I add the data label for cell data series and change the position to be above, like this. Next, we will add Mario into the chart. In this case, I will put Mario image in the last actual month. So we will put it in June. We need more data for Mario image. So I already prepared column E to input Mario data. Go to June. I will input formula like this. Start by equal, then C11 minus 6000. In this case, I use 6000 as the offset value in order to show Mario image. This value depends on the cell amount data, so you can change the value based on your data. Now we select all columns of Mario and then copy by paste Ctrl C. Go to the plot area and press Ctrl V. Now we have one more point, which means the Mario series. Select Add the Mario image, copy it, and then select the Mario series point. Then press Ctrl V, so we can paste the Mario image into our chart. In the additional, when Mario hits the box, the coins will pop up. So I will put coins in the past month, but it not be in the same position as the sale amount. It will be higher than the sale amount. So we need more data for coins. At first, I will create the offset value. The offset value depends on the data. So in this case, I assume my offset value is about 7,000. Then go to F6, input the formula equal sign, and then select C6 plus F4. And I paste function F4 because I would like to copy the data down. So it appears like this, $F $4, then copy the formula down. Then select the data for the entire column, copy it by Ctrl C, select the plot area and then paste by Ctrl V. Then I will select the coin image, copy by right click, copy or Ctrl C. Go to the coin series and then paste by Ctrl V. Then come to select background and select at the point area. At the field property, select the picture and texture field, and then select the clipboard. Final step is final decoration. In this case, I select text box and select some fonts and decorate it to be matched to our Mario theme, and save it as an image. So this is a prepared image. I can copy it and select our chart and just press it, and we can move this image in our chart area. Next, I change the data label color. And I use the gold effect. And we can choose the glow color to be black or white. Next, I change the month name color and font size. Yes, at last we finished our Mario chart. If you have any question or you have any idea that you would like me to create the chart, please let me know. And thank you for watching.